Hello students, Standard 7, Chapter number 13 in Maths, Exponents and Powers. We know that when the same number is multiplied, then in short, you can write down using the exponents. And then we learn how to write down the big numbers in the exponent form. And what is the base, what is the exponent, or the power. And in the last session, also we learn the different laws of exponents for multiplication, division, power of power, and so on. Now, today we are going to learn some examples which are done using the laws of exponents. So, let's do some examples and then we will start the exercise. So, simplify. Let's take the first one. 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. Now here you can see that when there is a division, we know the law. Laws are a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus m. Then we learn a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Then we learn a raised to m raised to n, a raised to mn. Then we learn a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m, and a raised to m divided by b raised to m is equal to a upon b raised to m. And lastly we learn that a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So that should be in your mind, because every time there will be no formula will be given. You have to remember these laws, so it will be very easy. So now here division is minus. So what we have to do is to apply the second law. 3 raised to 7 minus 2 multiply by 3 raised to 5, because the base are equal and then it is a division, so we have to subtract the powers keeping the same base. So is equal to 3 raised to 7 minus 2 is 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. So now the first law, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, same base and multiplication, then the powers are added, means is equal to 3 raised to 5 plus 5, and that is equal to 3 raised to 10. Let's take another one. 2 raised to 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 6 and multiplied by 5 raised to 6. So here we have to be careful. Now here first is the power of power. When we know that power of power means powers are multiplied. So 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 6. We have to go step by step. Now 2 raised to 2 threes are 6. 3 raised to also 6. Now we saw that when the bases are different but equal powers are there, then also we have the rule that 2 multiplied by 3 whole raised to power 6. It means 6 raised to power 6 multiplied by. Here also you can see that bases are different but powers are equal. So again we apply the same rule. 6 multiplied by 5 raised to power 6. So the simplification is 6 5s are 30. 30 raised to power 6. Let's do some another examples. Twelve raised to 4 multiplied by 9 cube multiplied by 4 divided by 6 cube multiplied by 8 square multiplied by 27. So here what we are going to do now, when there are small bases like 2 and 3 and 5 and prime numbers, then it is easier. But now when you can see that there is no equal base are here, then it looks like that we can't apply any rule, not even the powers are equal. So in this situation what we have to do, we have to do that the big numbers, you have to factorize them and write down as a prime factors, multiplication of prime factors. For example, the 12, we know that 12, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. It means 12 can be written as 2 square multiplied by 3. So in place of 12, I will write down 2 square multiplied by 3 and whole power 4. You know that 9 is 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. Means 3 square. So in place of 9, I can write down 3 square. And then again there is power 3. 4 is also, 2 square is 4. So on the numerator, we convert them as the power of the small bases, or especially the prime numbers as base. So now 6. 6 is 2 3s are 6. So 2 multiplied by 3, power 3. 8. 8 is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Means 2 cube. So in place of 8, we write down 2 cube and still the more power. And the 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, means 3 cube. So in this situation, what we have to do, the numbers which are composite numbers, we can write down as a product of their prime factors using the exponents. Now you can see that 2 3 2 3 bases are there. So now when there are equal bases, we can apply the laws. Otherwise it was impossible to apply any of the laws here. So now slowly we have to go. Now here you know that I gave you a rule, Mummy Papa's rule, if you remember, that if the bracket is there and there is a power, that power will be given to all of them. So here 2 square is there, but it will also get the power 4. Multiplied by 3 also will get power 4. Here it will be power of power, so we can write down direct the multiplication. Multiply by here also you can see that power of power. So 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 square. Here also that mommy papa's rule. 2 multiplied by 3 cube means 2 raised to also 3 multiplied by 3 raised to also power 3. Here power of power, so multiplication 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 and 3 cube. So first do the multiplication, so 2 raised to 2 4s are 8, 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 6, 2 square, down 2 cube, 3 cube, 2 raised to 6, 3 cube. Now check if the same base and same power are there in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel, otherwise we have to check. So now here on the top 2 raised to 8 and 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to, you can do that one only with the same base. So 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 2. So we can apply the first law. 2 raised to 8 plus 2. Similarly, 3 raised to 4 plus 6. Numerator and then denominator also. 2 raised to 3 plus 6. 3 raised to 3 plus 3. Now we can continue here. So is equal to 2 raised to 8 plus 2 is 10. And 3 raised to 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 raised to 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Multiply by 3 raised to 6. Now we know that division. Division means subtraction. So same base, so 2 raised to 10 minus 9. And also 3 raised to 10 minus 6. So now 10 minus 9 is 1, so 2. 3 raised to 10 minus 6 is 4. So 2 multiply by. Now if it is only simplify, you can stop here also, otherwise if it is small number, you can multiply also. Now 3 raised to 4 is 81. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. So 81 multiplied by 2. 160. So here you can see that so many rules are used in the same example. First law, second law, third law, fourth law, etc. So by this way, we can do the examples. Now, exercise 13.2. Question 1. Using laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So there are 10 sums in the first question. I will do some selected, others you will do in your homework. First one, 3 squared multiplied by 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 8. Here you can easily see that the bases are equal and there is multiplication. So simply we have to add the powers. So is equal to 3 raised to 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 3 raised to 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8, 14. So answer is 3 raised to 14. Now take third one. Third one is a cubed multiplied by a square. So now here in place of number there is a variable. Same thing we have to apply. Base are equal. So a raised to 3 plus 2 is equal to a raised to 5. Fifth one. First, third, now fifth one. Fifth one is 5 squared and again cubed multiplied by, no, divide by 5 cubed. 5 raised to 2 raised to 3 and divide by 5 cubed. So here there is power of power. So we apply 2 multiplied by 3. Power of power is multiplication. Divide by 5 cubed. So is equal to 5 raised to 6. Divide by 5 cubed. So division is subtraction. So 5 raised to 6 minus 3. That is equal to 5 cubed. So you can leave like that, because the write down answer should be in the exponential form. You don't have to find the answer, only in the exponential form. So now seventh one. Seventh one is very simple. A raised to 4 multiplied by b raised to 4. Here we have to be careful that bases are different but powers are equal. So when the powers are equal, we have to multiply the bases giving the same power. So we can write down AB whole bracket raised to 4. Then the ninth one. Ninth one is 2 raised to 10 divide by 2 raised to 15 multiplied by, 2 raised to 20 here. 2 raised to 20 divide by 2 raised to 15 multiplied by 2 cubed. So here first bracket should be done. So in bracket it is division with the same base. So 2 raised to 20 minus 15 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. So here 20 minus 15 is 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 cubed. So now 2 raised to 5 plus 3 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is 2 raised to 8. That is the final answer. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by the PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.